This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Dylan Stanley. Location, convenience and affordability all in one home. Located just 0.3 miles from Russellville High School in beautiful Ashbrook Estates, this home offers a desirable and contemporary split floor plan. With 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a formal dining room, large living room and spacious primary suite, you will have everything needed to satisfy the entire family. The primary bathroom features a walk-in closet, garden tub, separate shower and private water closet. The privacy-fenced backyard gives a safe and secure space for your children and for a family to play. Along with the modern style and low-maintenance brick exterior, you will have the added benefit and security of a 1-year-old, architectural shingle roof installed in February 2024. Call for your private showing today. For more information.